Good.
I am so excited. We are baking today. You know I don't know how to bake, but you know what? Today we're baking.
I know. I think they're gonna love it.
You really think so?
I think that they're gonna be surprised we're the ones baking, but I really think they're gonna love it.
So what are we gonna make?
We're gonna bake a pumpkin pie and a banana cream pie.
Oh my gosh, I love banana cream pie. I can't believe we're in November already.
I know.
And you've been a realtor for a year.
Yes.
And working from home. How does that feel?
I love it. I still can't believe, like 2 years into COVID, we're still all working from home.
You know what, Ness? Honestly, a lot of us thought working from home was a phase. The truth is, this is becoming a norm. Upwork did a survey of 1,000 managers and projected for 2025, 36 million Americans will be working remote. That is an increase of 16 million pre-COVID.
I talked to Ricardo the other day.
No, you didn't.
He is so thankful that he stuck with this house because he said, honestly, he would not have been able to purchase something if he didn't stick with it.
I remember the seller on that house was so demanding, which, you know what? It is a seller's market.
I know, right?
Yes.
Did you know that in a buyer's market, you need 7 months of inventory? And currently in Los Angeles, we have about 2 months. And in Orange County, we only have about 1.5 months of inventory. It doesn't look like it's going to be a buyer's market anytime soon.
How much the price has gone up just from the beginning of the year to now.
I know, right? I was talking to Alex the other day and he was telling me a home 3 houses down from his, not as nice as his, is listed for $30,000 more than what he paid.
Well, I don't know if you remember, we had to come to a Jesus moment with Alex because he was determined the homes are not worth what they are going for. Did you know home prices in 2022 will continue appreciating? If you are shopping in 2021 for a home for $600K and only 6% projection, that same home in 2022 will be $636,000. That is $36,000 more. It's actually a cost of a new car. So beautiful. We have future.
I know. They look fantastic. I'm very proud of what we did.
They are really, 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 truly. On a serious note, I am so grateful for many, many things this year. from just having the health and my whole family, and mom, grandma turning 9 years old, Chris getting married, it's just, honestly, we are so blessed. God really, truly, really, really, truly loves us, and the amount of business and how much we flourish this year.
I know, and honestly, I'm so thankful that I have been able to work from home, as busy as we are, and still spend so much time with my family, with Berlin, with Brandon, with Data, with my mom, with Meravet. I'm seeing them more than ever because I'm working from home. And it's really nice being able to see all of them and being as busy as we are. It's crazy.
It is, it really is. One of the things I am so grateful for is how much our client understood how important is it to get into a home this year with the interest rate being so low, and where are we going with interest rate?
I know. Currently, interest rates are at 3%. They are predicting that by the end of next year, interest rates will be at 4.2%. So you really shouldn't wait. If your mortgage is at $1,900 a month, it will go up by $300. That's a total of $100,000 over the life of your loan. Really, waiting could cost you.
I hope you like our November market update. We would love for you to subscribe, like, share. Also, we would love to hear what you are thankful for. Happy Thanksgiving. This is look amazing.
I know.
Your favorite social media platform? Is it Facebook? Is it YouTube? Or is it Instagram? You can always find me at Nahid the Realtor or stateofgrace.com.